This kit adds a soft close feature, so your door gently pulls shut on its own. Easy and quick installation, suitable for most doors.
No.
Drilling template is provided. This kit has a left and a right version, determined by the door's pivot direction. For my door orientation, I'm installing the right side kit, indicated by the R on the housing. Make sure you grab the correct kit. The included guide covers both the left and right versions. For this part, I'm using strong adhesive instead of screws, so I don't leave any permanent holes in the door.
Đưa lên.这个是这样。Map. Map. 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 Okay, keep drill. Okay. Yeah. Like that.
因为弄不直嘛。
Pre-screw the holes now so they're ready and easy to drive into during mounting.
要拿那个往塞地道。
那书。
对对，副科的。
咦，我被打啊。
Yeah.
Ừ.
去拿那个东西，可以包一下，可以来定机会，这样去。
木匠软的也这样装。
不用往那顶。
那你那个皮又掉出来。
Since both pieces must line up precisely to function properly, adhesive gives you the flexibility to adjust the positioning as you install.
请穿进。看下呀，看下。
I had to adjust twice before I got the alignment right.
I'm glad you guys were so supportive of how we did in the tournament. I thought all of you guys would be flaming me. I felt like but it's fine.
Okay.
This kit adds a soft close feature, so your door gently pulls shut on its own.
你这个呀？
不懂。
看了看了。看啊看啊。
No more slamming door due to strong winds or anger issues.
有还有收到吗？
不懂。
有没有？
Remember to install the covers. Very easy setup with just 2 screws and adhesive. Took around 20 minutes from box to door. Just make sure to measure your doorway clearance before purchasing to ensure a proper fit.
Before right, you just jump. Good night. You just swing. Yeah. 你要拍从这边的 perspective 吧。So right, you good night. You just swing.